Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on ID.me. And to do so it's very simple, just open the website and then go to sign in. Or if you don't have an account, just make a new account. So here we will have to enter an email address and a password if we already have an account. If we don't have one, let's just create a new ID.me account. You will have to enter your email, your password and then confirm it. Then if you want, you can remember me and accept the ID.me terms of services and privacy policy. So you have to check that one, but for the remember thing, yeah, it's not really necessary. So now you'll just have to add a phone number and then they will text you. You'll have to put a code and then you will have to secure your account by downloading an authenticator app and verifying your identity by uploading document approved by the state, and then take a photo of your driver's license, and you will also have to take a video selfie. So all these steps are pretty much straightforward and easy to do, and the last thing is just to enter your social security number, and that's it, you will be done. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.